Hey everyone, welcome to my blog. Have you ever stopped to think about your morning scroll through social media, online class, or even that video call with your grandma connect you to something way bigger? Today we're diving into how multimedia and ICT information communication technology are making life better in the 21st century. Let's get into it. First, let's keep it simple. Multimedia is just combining different types of content, like when you are YouTube tutorial use both video and text to teach you something. ICT is all the teach that lets us create, share and use the content, think phone, computers and just internet. Together they are not just tools, they are game changers. Let's start with learning. Remember when we only had textbook? Now, teachers use animated videos to explain math, virtual labs to conduct science experiments, and even live stream to take us on field trip to museum across the world. And the best part, if you miss a lesson or live far from school, online platforms let you learn anytime, anywhere, no more barriers to getting an education. Next up, connecting people. I have friends in 3 different countries and we can video call every week like we're in the same room. Beyond personal chat, social media help us to find communities who shares our passions, and tools like Zoom let teams work together even if they're on opposite side of the planet. We're more connected than ever before, and that's building a more understanding world. And finally, making life easier. Need to see a doctor but can't travel? Telemedicine has you covered. Want to pay bills or renew your ID without waiting in lines? Online government services handle that in a minute. Even staying informed is a simple. Real-time news and update keep us the loop about what matters most in our communities. So there you can have it. Multimedia and ICT are transforming education, connection, work and daily life. Now I want to hear from you. What's the one way these tools have made a difference in your life? Drop a comment below and let's chat. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech and lifestyle content. See you next time. Bye.